Every child is born with colors inside. Some paint the words, some with dreams, and some paint the world. Call Me an Artist by Indianica Learning, a joyful art and craft series from classes nursery till grade 5, opens a room where art meets heart, where every brush stroke tells a story of joy, imagination, and discovery. Inspired by the Indian roots and the global hues, it blends creativity with care, turning paper into petals, bottles into butterflies, and lessons into laughter. Each page celebrates eco-friendly art, life skills, and the beauty of self-expression. Because in every classroom, there is not just learning happening, there is life unfolding in color. Videos for extended learning and printable resources make every lesson easy and engaging for both teachers as well as learners. So, dear teachers, do we just want children to draw or to dream in color? Let's nurture the artist within. May I request you to choose creativity and therefore choose Call Me an Artist by Indianica Learning.